Welcome to Cleantie video tutorial number 1, sign up process. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to get started and create a customized database for your business on cleantie.com platform. Step 1. Log on to cleantie.com. Click on Start Free Trial or on Pricing. Choose the products and plans that work for you. Our pricing is flexible, so you can get and pay for exactly what you need. Prices are based per station per month. There's no contract, and you pay as you go. Step 2. Click on Sign Up link to create your Cleantie account. Enter your full company name details, email address, and password. Make sure to select your proper business type like dry cleaning, laundry, alteration, or shoe repair. The system uses the selected business type to create the appropriate database template for you. Select Sign Up icon to submit. Upon successful submission, an activation email is sent to your email address. Step 3. Log on to your email account. Click on the link to activate your account. Upon successful activation of your account, the initial Cleantie Setup screen shows up. This step might take a few minutes. Please don't close the browser while your database is being built. Step 4. Once the initial database is built successfully, you get prompted to log in to app.cleantie.com to complete the process. Enter your email address and password that were used during the sign-up process. Congratulations! You've successfully created your customized Cleantie database and are ready to enjoy your new system. Cleantie offers the best and latest technology for your business to empower customers. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.